Well, I got a question. Is Santa Claus a cripple?
Is Santa Claus a cripple? What?
Cryptid.
Yes, he is indeed a cripple.
Oh, there we go.
Cryptid.
Turns out he doesn't have a sleigh. He just has one giant wheelchair.
Think about it.
Why do you
Think about
ask complicated questions that I don't understand?
it. How do you make rocket fuel?
What do I...
How do you make rocket fuel?
It is 2 sticks, but why do you say I need more thing when thing not... What?
What are you trying to craft?
I need rope!
Rope?
How does one get rope?
I have some rope. Thing. I has brought home friend.
Oh dear God.
He doesn't know how to use a bed.
Where is he at? Where is his friend at?
In the bed.
Oh! Nah, I think he'll be more cozier in the by the fire. Boom pit, boom pit, boom pit, boom pit, boom pit.
Do I have any pills?
Yeah! Boom pit, boom pit, boom pit, boom pit.
Well, whatever it was, I just opened it, and now it gave me things. It gave
STDs?
It gave me an energy bar, a watch, a walkie-talkie. Oh, I had a walkie-talkie.
Dude, how the hell can someone store that in a skin pouch? That's actually impressive. Kevin! He uses the doggy door! Oh my god!
No way.
He uses it!
I just watched him walk out.
Good job, Kevin! Who's a good boy? He's so smart. Oh, you gotta love Kevin.
Hey, Andy's fetching sticks for us.
Oh, he
He
forgot. He forgot how to use the doggy door. I'll just let him be. Going up. Oh, Tuesday.
Now you got copyrighted immediately.
Yep. Yeah.
I saw Kevin and was like, "There's a native."
Oh my god.
Isn't that what you always wanted, just to see perfectly through it? Dude, you have been copyrighted 6 times already, just from saying stupid shit like that.
His
Yeah.
nipple popped. What?
Wait, what?
What?
What did he say?
What? Why did you? Hello.
Who's got a nipple pop?
Hello.
You look so stupid. I can see clearly now. I can see clear.
Now the rain is gone.
The cock is gone.
I can see clearly now. The fish are gone. I was hoping I could just stick a bone in the ground.
I don't think that's how shit works, but alright.
I was gonna stick it in the ground and call it a boner.
Are you joking, Mason?
Are you dumb? Up here. Cars. Not the retard. Cars.
Cars 1, 2, or 3? I like how you just ignored that.
I hate you.
Hey, these were our lands first. I don't care what you say.
We just brought blankets and machine guns later.
I'm coming.
Dave.
Quite literally.
Quite literally coming. Yay, I'm alive.
Where'd my spear go? I threw a spear and it disappeared. I swear to God, I have to make another one. I'm gonna be pissed.
I just ate mushrooms. I think you're gonna
Nice.
make another spear.
Oh
Sadly, I think you're right.
no. What are you talking about?
Any more natives wanna fuck with us?
What? I just question what you're talking about.
I learned to not question it anymore.
Don't question things you don't want to know.
Oh, Mason.
Senor?
Mason, I got a question for you.
What?
Would you do the firecracker thing again, or no?
The what?
The firecracker.
What do you mean?
The thing that we did last time.
You think I know what you're talking about?
Oh, I did have my spear. Why didn't the freaking Kaibind work? Now it works? Shitting me?
James, do you know what Julian is talking about?
When we shot the little military men on 4th of July.
That's what you're talking.
Yes.
We need sticks. As much as I hate to say it.
What happened to Kevin? Don't get sticks, huh?
Don't worry about it. I got more sticks.
Give me your stick.
Master has given Dobby a stick. Dobby is a free elf.
Master has given Dobby a stick. Dobby is a free elf. Okay.
Master has given Dobby a stick.
I'm trying to tell. There's a character I'm trying to think of that Julian just sounded like just then, and it definitely wasn't freaking Dobby.
Yeah, I probably don't sound like him. It's probably Mickey Mouse. That's the thing.
There we go. I had to make the noise. I'm like, if he makes that noise, yeah, there we go.
How do you not know where Mickey Mouse is?
You were just nutting.
Yo.
He knows we're sacrificing his friends.
Oh, I don't think you
To
should
the
sacrifice.
bone hole. To the bone hole.
Don't sacrifice people. It's not a good idea.
Oh no, I can't say that. That's rude. I was gonna say this one's weird. It's black, but then I realized that sounds really bad.
Oh my god, it looks like Bigfoot.
Mason, you're not helping my case, or your case. Oh my god!
I didn't say shit.
Oh, I didn't say you.
Where's Bigfoot?
Yeah, where's this black man at? Big black man.
He's
at?
down here by the dog. Oh my god, he one shot.
He's breaking the house again.
That Sasquatch came out of nowhere.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Sasquatch came from behind me and butt raped me.
Now you've had a BBC.
Wasn't nice.
Wait, when they said that, I almost fell out of my chair. Fuck you.
Well, we know who has the real BBC now.
Yeah, but no, he was. Yeah,
He really likes cupcakes, I guess. What is this
Yeah,
man
he did.
doing? Is he like?
Can't tell.
Is he spinning for you?
I think he's dead. He's like just being pushed along by me poking him. Now he's just floating away.
What the fuck?
You spin me right round, baby, right round, rocket racket, baby, right round, right round. I gotta send you a video. I don't know if you've seen this before, but I gotta send this to you.
Find a way to control weather. You gave me the idea to synthesize weather systems on a
Just can play it. You should just play it off your phone.
The wind gust regulate temperature, moisture, and pressure in a
I don't
controlled
know what the
environment
fuck. I
until
don't get this shit.
Oh, I didn't
pipe
save,
size that
mother.
takes on its own furious momentum and its perpetual energy can be harnessed.
Mr. Lonely, crawling back to be my friend. Kinda sad.
I can use it to power my TV,
So fixated on being friends.
and I have full power over them. Go
Does that mean you're
make
ending the
me
stream
a
or what?
grinder
You're ending
lunch.
your video?
Or
Probably,
sometimes they
after-
get
after I'm
outdated
done
and
watching
you've got to
this.
keep them in their place. I'm putting you out to work the field.
Whippity whippity whoa. And what do you call these wind?
Yeah, I can't hear. I'll listen to it a little later. I'm watching
Well,
it though.
I caught this wigger staring saucy at my mistress.
But you should watch it, 'cause it's fucking great.